Best crypto exchanges, wallets, and all helpful links for traders are in the video description. Welcome, traders and future market masters. Let me ask you a question. How many times have you seen a perfect setup on the chart, but your hands started shaking before clicking that buy or sell button? Or maybe you entered a trade, the market moved against you, and suddenly fear and anxiety took control. You closed too early, only to watch the price hit your target a few minutes later. You're not alone. Fear and anxiety are two of the biggest enemies in trading. They sabotage decision-making, drain your energy, and destroy consistency. In this video, we're going to break down how to manage fear and anxiety when trading the markets. My goal is to give you practical tools and mental strategies so you can stay calm, confident, and disciplined, even when the market is testing you. 1. Understanding the source of fear in trading. Fear in trading is not random. It comes from very specific psychological triggers. Fear of losing money. Every trader feels it, especially when trading with money they can't afford to lose. Fear of missing out, FOMO. Seeing green candles and thinking, if I don't jump in now, I'll miss the move of the year. Fear of being wrong. Our ego hates to admit mistakes, so we sometimes hold losing trades, hoping the market will turn back in our favor. When you identify the source of your fear, you can face it more rationally. Remember, fear is just a signal. It tells you that something feels uncertain or threatening. The goal is not to eliminate fear completely, but to manage it so it doesn't control your decisions. 2. Preparation is the antidote to anxiety. One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is entering the market without a plan. That's like stepping into a battlefield without armor. Anxiety grows in the absence of clarity. Here's what preparation means. Have a trading plan. Define your entry, stop loss, take profit, and risk per trade before you click the button. Risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. This way, even a losing streak won't destroy your account. Set realistic expectations. You don't need to win every trade. You just need consistency and discipline over time. The more prepared you are, the less room there is for fear. Confidence comes not from luck, but from structure and repetition. 3. Developing emotional discipline. Markets are chaotic. They don't care about your feelings. That's why your main job as a trader is to develop emotional discipline. Practical methods to stay calm. Breathing techniques. Slow, deep breathing reduces stress hormones and clears your mind. Try it before entering a trade. Trading journal. Write down your trades, emotions, and decisions. Reviewing your mistakes on paper removes the emotional charge and helps you see patterns. Detach from outcomes. Focus on following your process, not on whether a single trade wins or loses. A losing trade does not make you a bad trader. It's simply part of the business. Think like a professional athlete. You can't control every game, but you can control your preparation, mindset, and performance. 4. Using technology and routine to reduce stress fear often comes from overexposure. If you stare at the screen 12 hours a day, every candle feels like life or death. Instead, set trading hours. Don't watch charts all day. Pick specific times to analyze and trade. Use alerts. Let technology notify you when your setup appears, so you're not glued to the screen. Automate where possible. Even partial automation like stop orders and trailing stops can protect you from emotional decisions. Build a daily routine that balances trading with rest, exercise, and hobbies. A clear mind handles stress much better than a tired one. 5. Long-term mindset. The big picture. Finally, remember, trading is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Fear and anxiety often come from wanting results too quickly. Adopt a long-term mindset. Think in probabilities, not guarantees. Every trade is just one of many in a series. Focus on consistency, not perfection. A 55% win rate with proper risk management can make you profitable. Accept uncertainty. You can't control the market. What you can control is your discipline, your risk, and your response. Once you truly internalize this, fear loses its power. So let's recap. Fear and anxiety in trading are natural, but they don't have to dominate you. Understand where fear comes from. Prepare with a solid plan and risk management. Train emotional discipline through journaling and breathing techniques. Use routines and technology to stay balanced. And always keep the long-term mindset. Trading is as much a psychological game as it is a technical one. Master your mind, and you increase your chances of mastering the market. Remember, every successful trader you admire once stood where you are now, fighting the same fears and doubts. What separates them is not that they never felt fear, but that they learned to act with discipline despite it. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.